are getting into the holiday spirit with a little science.
Yes.
That's right.
Santa, what's your name? Santa Science Claus?
Science Claus.
Science Claus,
Yeah,
that's brilliant.
Cute.
Do you believe? Do you believe?
I believe.
Do you believe?
I absolutely
Do you believe in science?
I believe in both.
Well, no, just kidding. Yes.
I believe in Santa, but science.
No. So kids are curious. I'm curious, and that's the basis of science. And in 1825, there was a famous British scientist named Michael Faraday who did the first science show for children. Before then, it was the aristocrats, the royalty, the rich, and he did it on a candle. Lectures on a candle. There's a lot to learn about a candle. But I brought some of the things we're going to do this Friday at Ben Davis High School. It's free, 6 o'clock. It fills up quick. Anything you see here, we're going to do on a much bigger level.
Oh, fun.
So one of the things we're going to try today is I have a can here with a little bit of water in it, and we're going to heat this water up. And our atmosphere here in Indianapolis, we're about 751 feet above sea level. And so all the air above us has mass. And so I'm heating up a little bit of water in here. All the air inside of this is expanding and going out. And so when I invert this and put it in that ice water, what I hope is going to happen is that this whole can will be crushed by the sky. Maybe this is some of the science that Santa uses. Let's see. Give me a 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Well, I've had better crushes. But on Friday, we're going to do that with a 55-gallon drum.
Whoa.
What?
And just to make sure it works right, I'm going to be using some liquid nitrogen. So this is another thing we do about air, and Santa flies through the air.
Okay.
This is my Bernoulli bag. If you pull that, hold on, scoot back there. One breath of air. Hold it at the very end here.
Just had.
Oh, am I going to smell it?
One breath. Let's see how. Okay, so we got. I really expected a little more. So let me try that using science.
Okay.
Hold that in.
Okay.
And I'm going to use what's called the Bernoulli principle. And so I'm going to hold back here like this. I'm going to blow really fast, and we're going to use the atmosphere to fill this up.
Oh, come on!
That was embarrassing.
That seems unfair.
Are you embarrassed?
It's science. It's science. Now, I know a big thing we're going to try. We're going to bring kids up out of the audience. On Christmas Eve, it's milk and cookies.
Yeah.
Yum.
Well, I've never tried this before.
I love when you try things for the first time.
That's always good. Make sure you do it right over
This
Kayla.
could explode. We don't know.
This is about forces, about centrifugal forces, there's all kind of forces. So I'm going to, let's see. You probably want to move here.
Okay, great.
This may be really good, or it may not be. Let's see what's going to happen.
It's good TV.
But Santa has his magic, and let's see if we can get this going.
Oh my God!
I'm so.
Do you believe?
Listen, I wanted. It's
If I tried
producer
that-
Peter's day to clean the kitchen, so I was really hopeful.
But if I tried that, it'd be across the room.
We could try that at the end of the segment.
Okay.
That was amazing.
So we want kids to come. It's at 6 o'clock, Ben Davis High School, funded by the Wayne Township Education Foundation. It's free. Now, I told you about Michael Faraday and his lectures.
Yes.
I don't know how you do 7 lectures on the combustion of a candle. But if you think about a candle, it's a solid. When it melts, it's a liquid. And the flame's a gas. So it has all of that.
Oh, wow.
But
I never thought of that. It smells good.
Well, this one may not smell good, but this, so if you describe this using science words, what's some words you could use to describe this object? What color is it?
Oh, it's white.
What shape?
It's cylindrical.
Very good.
Yes, I got very good from Rick.
Wax.
It's wax, she says. But really,
just
curious minds should pay attention because.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Because what you see and what you feel
I can't.
may or may not.
Is that
Dirty
a wax?
sauce.
What is that?
I'll tell you what.
Tell me it's not a candle.
Come to the show. Use your curiosity and
Can I smell
science,
it?
and we'll figure it out.
I know what it is.
You know what it is?
My nose knows. But I want people to guess.
Yeah.
I don't even care that you just put a whole fire in your mouth, Rick.
Is it cheese?
I'm not even
Like a cheese
kidding you
stick?
when
My entire stomach dropped when I saw that. I was like, he's insane. He just ate a candle.
Or you can use your mind and eyes and senses to figure out what happened. That's science.
You can do all of that on Friday as well at Ben Davis High School. What time, Rick?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. And get there early because, as he mentioned, Amber, it's going to fill it. I think.
Can I tell him what it is?
Is it celery?
If you know what,
you
can make an inference.
It looks like.
I think it's a potato.
I thought it was an apple.
Yeah, but
It's a raw
what
potato.
about the wick?
I don't know what you use for that.
Hey, come early. I need 40 volunteers to come up on stage and
eat
do all
fire?
these things.
Eat fire.
I did have a 2-hour meeting with the state fire marshal yesterday.
See? Yeah, this guy.
Passed.
Nice job.
Thank you.
All right,
This sounds
thank
like
you, Rick.
fun.